Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima Okiki here and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be sharing with you some of the amazing benefits of rosemary tea for hair growth. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell sign to be notified on my future videos. Teas are great for natural hair. They are inexpensive and very easy to make. Rosemary comes in 3 forms: fresh leaves, dried leaves, and powdered form. Here I have the dried leaves and I'll be blending mine to the powdered form just to reap its full benefit. Feel free to use any form that you have around you. Would have loved to use the fresh leaves but couldn't get it around me here. Here I'm actually making use of 2 tablespoons of the dried leaves. So this is what I have after blending the dried leaves. Not so smooth, but I just wanted to crush it a bit. So after blending the leaves, add some boiled water to it, stir to combine, cover and allow to brew for 2 hours until cool. So guys, our next ingredient is going to be aloe vera. We are going to be making use of some aloe vera juice for this process. Aloe vera has some incredible benefits for hair growth. The aloe vera leaves that I have here are really the very small species, and that's going to be a lot of work removing the gel. So I'm actually going to do that behind the camera and get the juice out. You will be needing equal parts of rosemary tea and aloe vera juice in the ratio of 1:1. That is 50% tea and 50% aloe vera juice. I'm sorry I lost the clip where I mixed this. My camera actually acted up and I lost it. So feel free to do the ratio of 1:1. That is 50% aloe vera and 50% juice. I just use this small bowl to measure out the juice and the tea. Feel free to throw in some essential oils of choice just for scent. After mixing both the aloe vera juice and the tea together, you will notice that this has mad slip, guys, which can be great for detangling too. I won't be using all at the same time, so I'll be storing some in my freezer. You can store this in refrigerator for maximum of 5 days and freezer indefinitely. So for the application, you can choose to use it as either a leave-in conditioner or a rinse out. The choice is yours. So here I'm actually using it as a leave-in on my protective style, just using that to saturate my entire hair. I do focus a lot on my scalp when I'm applying teas to my hair, because our hair runs from our scalp and our body absorbs these nutrients and minerals through the scalp. Massaging that in helps in circulation and absorption too. And our body absorbing these nutrients and minerals, it can use them to grow new healthy hair. Just a quick one. Here are some of the benefits of rosemary for the hair. Rosemary has an antifungal properties and anti-inflammatory properties. It eliminates dandruff, it soothes the scalp and decreases itching, it prevents premature graying, it heals scalp wounds, it increases blood flow to the scalp, it decreases shedding. Now for aloe vera. If you haven't come across using aloe vera juice for your hair yet, then you are seriously missing out. Aloe vera juice has huge benefits if you are set to really nurturing your natural hair in order for it to grow healthily. If you are unsure of the benefits that aloe vera juice can provide, then you must keep watching. You won't be disappointed. Aloe vera is a great moisturizer for natural hair. It helps with strengthening and repairing hair strands. It helps with hair growth. It's like magic for an itchy scalp. It can also be used to help cleanse your hair. And that's all for this video, guys. Please remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.